वेलकम टू डेवलपर गाइड। Node.js की बिगिनर सीरीज में अब हम देखेंगे फाइल सिस्टम मॉड्यूल। ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स है Node.js के। इसमें फाइल सिस्टम मॉड्यूल क्या होता है? तो Node.js provides the fs module to read, write and modify files. So fs means file system. So if we want to read the file, for reading a file we are getting the fs module from the Node.js library. So we use over here, we are creating a variable like constant fs equals to require and fs inside the double quote, so that will import the fs module inside this file. Okay, so now for reading the file we have the function over here like fs.readFile. So this, we are passing the file name over here, or we are passing the file path. So this will be in same directory, so we are just passing the name like example.txt comma utf8. This is the character encoding, and this is the callback function like error comma data. This is the arrow function. So this is the callback function, whatever the action will be taken after this reading the file. Okay, if any error comes, if the file not exist or file is corrupted, then we will throw the error, and otherwise we will print the data on the logs. So that is console.log. So same fs module contains the write file operation over here. So inside this fs.writeFile, fs.writeFile, this output.txt, and the data like hello node.js we are writing over in the output.txt, and same we are throwing the error, and this is the callback function, and the file written successfully. We will console.log this message. So for understanding this thing we have to come on the text editor like Visual Studio Code. So I will create over one folder over here. So just come back. So we are in the Node.js directory, and we will create like fs module. This is the folder name, and cd fs module. Okay, ls nothing over here. So this is created. Now we will create one file over here, app.js. Okay, this is the fs module, and we will create app.js. Okay, we will also see over here app.js. So what we have to do is we have to first create one variable for getting the fs module from the Node.js library. So we use the require. Okay, so fs module has been required. We have the function like read file. Okay, like example dot txt. Okay, and encoding is utf8, and we are calling over here callback function error and data, and this is the arrow function. Okay, so here if any error comes, then throw error, otherwise we will console.log data. Whatever the data we will read from the file. Okay, so this is the clear, and now we call this, I mean we execute this file. Okay, save this file and execute this file. So this is the app.js. We will execute node app.js. Okay, So here the error is throwing, like throw an error, no such file or directory open example.txt, because of we don't have created the example.txt file, so that's why this error is coming. Okay, so we have to create one file of inside the fs module, that is example.txt. okay, so this is read file operation in Node.js fs module. Okay, so I save this. Now this error will not come. Now again execute. Okay, so this is executed and this is the read file operation in the Node.js fs module. Okay, so this file has been executed. Okay, now we will see the write operation over here. Just copy this thing. And instead of read, we have to write file, and we will write to output.txt, and here the data. This is write file operation in Node.js fs module. Okay, and data will not be over here, so if any error comes, then it will throw the error, and just we have to print file written successfully. Okay, now execute this program, node app.js. Okay, so this is the read file. This method has been executed, and this fs.writeFile is also executed. So we have seen file written successfully. Now go to in the directory output.js, and this is the write file operation in the Node.js fs module. So this is has been executed. Okay, so let me explain again in short. So this is the fs module for the file system in the Node.js. We require this module, and we have imported this module from the library, and we call the read file operation. So here we are reading the example.txt, and we are just console.log the data, and in this function we are adding the data, or we are creating a file to output.txt. So we have created this over there. I hope you have understand this scenario and this fs module, what this module does in the Node.js. If anything confusion or any problems you are facing, then let me know. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.